Hello, all of you. Today we shall see the book Moral Science and its first chapter, that is kindness. What is kindness? Some of you know very well what is kindness. But let us listen a story and come to know that what is kindness. Once upon a time there was a rat and a lion. One day, a rat was resting in the forest, and a lion too. Lion was inside his den. So, when the rat was sleeping, and the lion was too resting, suddenly the rat woke up and started playing uh, above the lion. So, when the lion woke up from his sleep, he saw the rat. The rat got frightened and the lion told him that he will kill and eat him. But the rat requested to be kind and helpful and spare him, for he shall also help him in need in the future. So the days passed like this. One day, some hunters came for the hunt of lion. They were searching lion for their circus house. The lion was sleeping inside his den as he was not well. So the hunters caught the lion and put the net onto him. The rat saw this while hiding behind a tree. So when the hunters went away to bring a vehicle to carry the lion, the rat told him that not to worry, that he will call his friends and cut the net. The rat was as fast as he could, and he called all his friends to come there inside the den and cut the net of the lion. The rat cut all the rats cut all the net which was above the lion. So here the lion was saved too. So, children, what do we understand by this story? We understand that when we are kind to others, they are also kind to us. When we are kind to others, they feel good and they also favor us in many ways. It reflects our character that we are good, we are better, and we are a proper, good, well mannered human being. To be kind to others is the purpose of our life. It should be the main purpose of our life, that we shouldn't harm others, and somehow we can show our kindness in some other ways. How can we show our kindness? We can show our kindness by thinking about and care of the feelings and needs of the others. What are the values associated with the term kindness or kind? They are courtesy and respect. They are gentleness towards others and helpfulness and giving towards others, towards the human being. There is a famous saying of a famous person, that is Henry James. Henry James told that three things in human life are important. The first is to be kind, the second is to be kind, and the third is also to be kind towards others. So, the major purpose of our lives is to be kind, or we can kind to be others. Kind to the others persons, whether he is old or young, whether he is elder or younger, whether he is a cruel person too. We can thank you him or other person by being polite. By saying that you have a lovely smile, and we can also be thank you in front of others who are listening to us carefully. We can also thank you a person for taking care of us. It feels nice when someone wishes us good or asking us how we are. Okay, thank you. One person by giving or by being friendly to the other person, we can be helpful, and we can also be cooperative. By this we can show the kindness to others. Okay, so we can also feel wonderful, exciting, and good when we feel that some person is helping others or some person is helping us. It's a quite a saying that what we give to others, it comes back multiplying. So be kind to all, and it will come to us in many ways. Thank you.